guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. We have a mini Shein haul. Very small. It's just a few items, but I wanted to show you what I got. So, just quickly, I got multiple packs of these. They come in all kinds of colors, but they're just charms in an assorted shapes with like gold and some glistening bits, might be rhinestones, whatever. So I got blue. I got AB, I got red, green, black, and pink. And then I got a whole bunch of packs of transfer foil, so I wanted to show those to you as well. These are all pretty much plaids, tartans in some countries. I'm going to take all this stuff out of the package and put it in my little photo albums for storage, but this is how they come. These ones are like neon colored flames. I don't know when I would need this, but I figure there's going to be a day. And then these are a bit Asian themed, so I really like that for when I'm doing one of those like cherry blossom type designs. This one has letters on it, so that's pretty cool. There's some writing. I could see some applications for this, especially if you're doing like an anime set. And then these are just assorted fruits on a clear background, so whatever color you have your nail painted underneath is whatever color will be in the back of these. It's summertime. These are going to be fantastic for that. And these are just angels. Sometimes you just need to do a set of angel nails, and I do have a little bit of angel decorations, mostly stickers, but these transfer foils will come in handy. Some of them have solid backgrounds and some of them have the clear backgrounds. I think I'm going to prefer the clear backgrounds, but you never really know. It kind of just depends on what you need at the time. And then the last thing, it's just some assorted glitters. Supposedly they glow in the dark. And I was like, I'm probably going to need some glow-in-the-dark stuff for this season, so let me go ahead and grab these. I haven't tested them, and just looking at them, they look a lot like something I already have. So I don't know if it's true. These may be actually just black light. Either way, I'm going to try them out at some point, and you may or may not see it. But anyway, that's all the things. So I just wanted to show you the few things that I got real quick. This is barely even a video. But thank you for watching it anyway, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.